Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, this is a very simple recipe with a couple of boiled eggs, half an avocado, some sourdough bread, which I'm gonna lightly toast, butter, salt and pepper. It's one of my simplest recipes yet. Hey, Mike Foster here, how you doing? Get your protein to start the day. Avocado with a couple of eggs on toast. Can't be easier than that. I'm gonna toast this baby and I'll meet you at the counter, put this together. Start the day. All right, that's lightly toasted. We're gonna put butter on both sides. I take this avocado and you give it a good smasheroo right here. Cover the whole side. I'm just using half slices of bread here. That's all I need. One egg on this side, just a little smash. You can see that's nice and soft. That's not what she said. Just give those a smash like that. A little pepper on both sides. Finish it up with a little salt. Not too much, that's enough. Let's give it the old flipperoo. You guys ready? All right. Little smasheroo. There's the close-up. Let's take a big bite and see how this tastes. There we are again. Egg and avocado toast. Put together with a soft-boiled egg. Let's try it. You can see some of the yolk is just, I guess it's perfect. Ah! See it? The toast is nice and crunchy with that buttery taste. You can taste that avocado. You need the salt and pepper to bring out the best in that, and the eggs. And there you go. Very eggy. It's going to give you the protein to start your day. Simple, delicious. Ah. Check this one out. Check out all my videos at Live Life 365 and on my socials. Tell people about it. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Let's do it. Nice. Pepper it up. Ding, 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 ding. My head's cut off! With poached eggs. Oh. Oh my. Waiting for it to close. It's automatic. That one was eggy. Peace! Look at that yolk right there. Ah. Oh yeah. Not yolking. I'm not even joking about it. Was it the sweet Babu? Yes. Is it time to say Baba? Well, I gotta go. Baba!